Here's a workout for the abs and obliques. I'm Pilates instructor Tucker, certified in mat Pilates. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. And we'll begin laying in neutral spine, knees slightly bent, head resting on the mat, core engaged, and lift one knee up and place it down, and lift the other knee up and place it down. Let's continue. Maintain that structure in the knee about 90 degrees. Maintain a steady breath. Head and arms resting gently on the mat. Core is tight, engaged, body stable. Only thing moving is the slow lift of the leg. And we'll do one more. And keep that knee up. Bring the other knee up as well. And let's tap one toe at a time. Careful not to arch the back as the leg comes down. And maintain a steady breath. Great job. 4 more. Last one, great. Let's keep those legs up and send one out straight at about 45 degrees and back. And the other leg out and back. And let's continue. Careful not to arch the back as the leg extends. And if that's too much, it's okay to go partial with the leg and keep it bent. Great job. 4 more. Two more. And we're going to keep the knees up. And this time let them gently fall to the right, only about halfway. Allow the opposite hip to lift off the mat. And back to center. And let's go the other way. And back. Great job. Exhale as the legs fall to the side again. Inhale at the bottom and exhale to raise them back up. And let's go one more. And if it's too hard to maintain a stable body, I can move the arms out a little wider. Great job. Keep those knees up. We'll move into knee circles. So with a slight posterior pelvic tilt, bring the knees up. Then swing them over to the side, allowing the opposite hip to lift off the mat. And bring them down as the lower back slightly extends. Around to the other side. And back up. Great job. Let's go again. Core is still tight and breathing at a comfortable pace. Two more. Shoulders are laying flat on the mat, head still resting gently, nose pointed up to the ceiling. And when we get to the top here, stop and reverse directions. Great job. 2 more. Still breathing as comfortable. I'm exhaling as the legs go over and around, and inhaling as they come back around and up. Last one. And now gently bring the feet down to the ground. Let's stretch out the lower back a little bit. Give me a posterior pelvic tilt. So with an exhale, sink the lower back into the mat. Shoot the tailbone forward. And inhale back to start. And a few more of those. Last one. Excellent start. We'll move up the body to a chest lift with an exhale curl to lift the head and upper back off the mat. And inhale back down. Great. And again, exhale. Reach the fingertips down towards the feet. And back. And again. Maintaining the same distance, chin to chest. Great. 3 more. Careful not to sink the lower back into the mat as the upper body curls up. Stay up on this last one. And let's bring one leg up into tabletop and down. And the other leg up and down. Great work. Continue there. Breathing at a comfortable pace. Reaching those fingertips long. Four more. Great job. Last one. Keep this leg up. Bring the other leg to meet it. And move into toe taps. One toe gently taps down and up, and the other one. Great job. And breathing at a comfortable pace. I am exhaling as the leg comes down, inhaling back up. Whatever is comfortable is fine. Great job. 4 more. Last one, and feet come down, and head gently comes down, and let's let the head gently roll from one side to the other for a little stretch in between sets. And we'll move into single leg stretch. So again, with a chest lift, exhale, lift the head and upper back off the mat. Both knees up into tabletop, and send one out straight and back. And send the other out straight and back. Good job. Let's continue. Exhale on the extension. Inhale in. Great work. Lifting that head a little higher up. 2 more. Last one. Feet come down, head comes down. Excellent. And we'll go straight into a crisscross from here. So bring the hands behind the head. Try to keep the elbows in line with the head. Exhale and lift up. Both knees up into tabletop. Send the right leg out straight. As the right leg goes out straight, gently twist to bring the right elbow closer to the straight right leg and back. And the other one, left, gently twist and back. Great, let's continue. Imagine reaching towards the extended leg with the armpit. Reach a little higher. Great job. Exhale on the extension. Inhale in. Keep going. 4 more. Twist a little higher. Great job. Last one. Feet come down and head comes all the way down. Arms back to the side. One more exercise in this chest lift series. I know the neck's getting tired. Tighten the belly and exhale to curl up. Both legs up into tabletop. Put the hands on the knees for double leg stretch. Extend the legs and reach the arms long. And bring it back. Great. And exhale. Extend the legs. Arms go long across the mat. And back. Great work. Lifting the chest a little higher. Give me a slight point in the toes. 4 more. Don't arch the back as the legs go straight. 2 more. And bring the legs straight down to the ground. Great. Arms up. Rib cage arms to prepare us for a roll up. Inhale, bring the arms overhead. Exhale, back. Great. A few more. Don't arch the back as the arms come up. And on this last one, move straight into a roll up all the way up. Great. Inhale at the top and exhale. Let's roll back down. Arms overhead. I'll break this down a little more. So we start with the chest lift. Give me a slight posterior pelvic tilt. So the tailbone slightly points forward as we get past that point, and then sitting straight up. And then beginning down again, slight posterior pelvic tilt. So point the tailbone forward and then just continue rolling all the way down. 3 more. Two more. Great job. Last one, and stay sitting up here. Let's bring the knees very slightly in. Arms straight out in front and half roll down. So rolling down, stop halfway and twist. Right arm to the side and center. Twist, left arm to the side and center. Great. Continue. Great job. And breathing at a comfortable pace here. I'm exhaling on the twist, inhaling back. Great. Keep those hips stable. Give me 2 more. And on this last one, put that whole arm down. Let's come over onto the side. Hips and knees stacked on the forearm here. And exhale to lift up. Come down, tap the hip, and back up. Great job. 8 more. Stay strong in the shoulder. Tighten the abs. Don't let those hips sag. 3 more. Last one. Good work. Drop the hips. Bring the feet in. And let's let that arm come up over for a stretch through the side and the obliques. And swing around for the other side. So on the forearm, strong in the shoulder, legs stacked. Exhale, lift up. Down, tap the hip, and up. Great work. 8 more. You got this. Last exercise of the workout. We'll see how the abs and obliques are doing. I think they're going to be doing great. Really, really great. 4 more. Last one. Drop the hips. Bring it up. Bring the feet in and up, arm up and over. Well, thank you so much for joining me for this workout. The biggest thing that you could do for me is to share this video. And if you're ready to move to a lower body workout, then click here.